Namaste Dippy fam. First off, can we just talk about this beautiful Bangalore spring? The weather has been absolutely lovely. Sunny, breezy, and just perfect. My plants are thriving like never before, and honestly, it makes me so happy every morning. Also, a big thank you to all the new subscribers here. Welcome to the channel. I have been feeling so overwhelmed and grateful for all the love you have shown on my recent home decor and makeover videos. Your kind messages, likes, and support really mean the world to me. Now, coming to today's video, this is one I have been super excited about for a while. It's one of my most awaited makeovers, and I thought, why not bring you along with me? So, today I'm creating a cozy little breakfast corner right in my kitchen. Something aesthetic and functional, a perfect space to hold all my teapots, cups, and a few breakfast essentials. And that's not all. I am also giving a makeover to my shoe rack. Yes, you heard that right. I have repurposed it to hold some of my kitchen appliances, and I can't wait to show you how it turned out. So, this is my old shoe cabinet, and I'm starting with a thorough cleaning. It's always important to prep your surface well before any makeover. It helps the material stick better and last longer. I'm using a basic toolkit from IKEA, which has honestly been a game changer. It's compact but comes with all the essentials and really helps keep everything organized during small DIYs like this. First, I'm removing all the handles to get a smooth, even surface. For the makeover, I choose a grey stick-on wallpaper from Amazon. I opted for wallpaper instead of paint to save time and effort. While it's convenient, I found the quality just okay. So if you are looking for something long-lasting, I would say go for a better quality brand or maybe consider painting instead. Now, I'm measuring the cabinet doors to cut the wallpaper to size. This step is really important. Taking a few extra minutes to measure accurately can save you a lot of hassle later. Once that's done, I'm carefully sticking it on. My husband helped me out here as always. DIYs are more fun when you have got a teammate. But, of course, I made a little mess while cutting around the keyhole. No worries, mistakes are part of the process. Also, a quick tip. don't throw away the leftover pieces of wallpaper. I use the scraps to cover the tabletop. Waste nothing. I decided not to cover the entire cabinet, just enough to give it a refreshed look. And since the keyhole areas was messy, I removed the lock and covered that spot with a fabric style paper that gives a rattan-like finish. It adds a natural texture and breaks the monotony of the plain wallpaper. Here, I am measuring again, this time adding a soft curve to the fabric paper. It gives a nice window pane feel, which adds a little charm. Let me know in the comments what you think of this idea. Now to secure the fabric paper, I used a regular adhesive that works well on the laminate surfaces. for the handles, I was torn between this matte black knobs and these wooden block print ones. In the end, I went with the wooden pieces. They are all slightly different in design, which gives the cabinet a unique handcrafted touch. And it's done. Now, let's move on to the breakfast corner makeover. I started by painting the wall a warm yellow to brighten up the space. For the shelving, I used a wooden rack that I bought from Meesho. It was budget friendly and super functional. Once fixed by our electrician, I styled it with some of my favorite teapots and cups. These are from various exhibitions and local stores. I love collecting them. I also added a touch of green with an artificial plant to make the space feel fresh and cozy. On top of the cabinet, I placed all our breakfast essentials. They are easy to access yet styled in a neat way. And of course, another plant, because I love adding greenery to every corner. Inside the cabinet, I have stored all our kitchen appliances. It's such a smart way to reuse furniture. Who says a shoe rack can't be a kitchen hero? That's it. I hope you enjoyed this little transformation. What do you think of the breakfast corner and the cabinet makeover? I would love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy and creative home updates. See you in the next video super soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.